Hello friends, let us now learn about the IMNCI guidelines. In IMNCI guidelines, this is an approach to a child with cough and difficulty in breathing. IMNCI is integrated management of neonatal and childhood illness. So in this, first and foremost, we will assess the breath count for 1 minute, and we will look for chest indrawing, and we will look and listen for stridor and wheeze, and look for any dangerous sign. Okay, and we will also look for any dangerous signs. So what dangerous signs should we look for? So we should look for whether the baby has persistent vomiting, or she is conscious or unconscious. Unconsciousness is the major dangerous sign. If the baby is throwing seizures or convulsions, it is a dangerous sign, and inability to drink and feed. Then if there is lethargy in the child, so these are the dangerous signs. So based on these three things, we will divide it into different classes. Okay, so and we have to even classify the fast breathing. Fast breathing, if the baby breathes if the baby of less than 2 months of age, if the respiratory rate of baby is less than 60 per minute, then we classify it as fast breathing or tachycardia. Then if the baby has 2 to 12 months of age and respiratory rate of more than 50 per minute, then we call it tachycardia. If the baby is 1 to 5 years of age and the respiratory rate is more than 40 per minute, then it is called as tachycardia. Then if the baby has fast breathing along with the fast breathing and chest indrawing, if the baby along with these both, if the baby has wheeze, in this situation, first and foremost, give inhalational bronchodilators are given. You will have to give inhalational bronchodilators 3 times. You should give 15 to 20 minutes apart, and after giving these inhalational bronchodilators 3 times 15 to 20 minutes apart, then you will have to reassess the patient. Okay, now based on the signs, we will divide into 3 parts. Okay, first we will see from down. Okay, first we will see if there is any danger sign. We have told about the danger signs, right? So if there are any danger signs in a child, or if there is stridor present, if there is any danger sign with stridor, then this is severe pneumonia or very severe pneumonia. Any danger sign with stridor, then it is severe or very severe pneumonia. In such case, we should give the baby first dose of injection ampicillin or is given, along with injection gentamicin is given, and we should refer the baby urgently to the higher center, that is severe or very severe pneumonia if there is any danger sign with stridor. Then if there is either chest indrawing is present, or if there is either fast breathing, then you should think that it is pneumonia. Okay, now we have to follow 6 steps now. If there is pneumonia, what are the 6 steps? First, you will have to give oral amoxicillin to the baby, and you will have to give it for 5 days. And you will have to ask the mother if there is, or if the baby has wheezing, then you should give inhalational bronchodilators for 5 days. And if the baby has throat pain, then you can give soothe throat, or you can give and you will have to relieve the cough with cough. You can give cough suppressants. Cough syrups can be given for throat pain and cough. Okay. Then fourth, if the cough is present, if the baby gives history of cough for, if the parent gives history of cough for more than 14 days for the baby, or if there is recurrent wheeze, in this situation you cannot just ignore it as a bacterial or simple pneumonia, and in this case you will have to refer the baby to the higher center for evaluation of tuberculosis and bronchial asthma. And then if the mother, and you will have to advise the mother to return immediately if there is any danger signs, and then you will have to follow up the patient in 2 days. In 2 days you will have to ask them to come back. One important thing is, if there is oxygen saturation less than 90%, then you will have to refer the baby to the next center. Okay, so in this pneumonia you will have to refer if there is cough for more than 14 days, or if there is recurrent wheeze, or if there is oxygen saturation less than 90%, then we have to refer it. And then if there are no signs of pneumonia, if there is no signs of pneumonia, that is, there is no chest indrawing, no fast breathing, in such cases we call it as no pneumonia. And here you will have to follow from steps 2 to 5. That means if there is any wheeze, you should give inhalational bronchodilators are given for 5 days. You should give cough syrup should be given. You should relieve the cough. And if there is any cough for more than 14 days, or if there is recurrent wheeze, then you should refer for higher centers. Ask the mother to come if there is any dangerous signs, and then you will have to ask them to come for follow up in 5 days. So these are the latest guidelines according to IMNCI guidelines. Thank you for watching.